Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to bevel corners in Blender. In this tutorial, I will use a plan, so we can go to Add, Merge, and add the plan here. Close up to it. We have two options to bevel corners in Blender. The first option, we can select the objects and then go to Modifier Properties and add the modifier. And go to Generate, we can find bevel here. Click it. And then go to Bevel Modifier, choose Vertices. So we can see that all the corners are bevel. And then we can adjust the amount. We can adjust the segment to make it smooth. This is the first option that we make the corners bevel all together. If we want to make one corner bevel, we can use second option. I delete the Bevel Modifier first, and then select the plan and go to Edit Mode, and then make sure that we select Vertex Selection, select one of the vertices, and then go to Vertex, and we can find Bevel Vertices here. Or we can use shortcut Shift Ctrl B to bevel vertices. I click it and move the cursor and click to apply it. If we want to customize it, we can open the bevel panel and we can adjust the size, adjust the segment, adjust the shape, and we can customize the setting. So this is how we can bevel corners in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe to this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.